How to use director mode on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the director mode on your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you are using latest version of Snapchat. If not, head over to Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Snapchat. If you see update sign here, update your app. Once done, tap on open. Then it will open up your camera section. From here, you will see director mode on your top right corner. Tap onto it. Then as you do so, it will show you different options. For instance, you can use the flip camera, you can add sounds to your videos, you can use various kind of lenses, and also you can use green screens. Just like so, this is how you use the director mode on your Snapchat account. If you would like to disable this option, tap onto wrong icon on your top left, and this will lead you to the normal Snapchat mode. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.